I'm out here on a kayak. Saturday morning. A little drizzle now, but overall, man, this has been a good year. Just reflecting on everything, man. This is a good 5-month run that I've been on, man. And I can't do nothing but thank God for these opportunities, for these friendships that I'm gaining, for the community, for just a better life, man. I prayed about this. I tell you what, I prayed and I prayed and I knew that the prayers would be answered. And I never questioned God. I never did. Because to me, if I did, it seemed like I was lacking faith in what he already done told me. So I just roll with it, man. Everything has been happening for good reasons, and I'm thankful. You know, on a Saturday morning, we out here kayaking. This just inspires me to do more adventures like this. Opportunities, limitless. Take advantage of this life. Take advantage of just being alive. You know, stay out of trouble, stack your money up, treat people well, and have a good life. Make sure you smile. I mean, why wouldn't you smile, man, when you're alive? Things may get hard at times, but it's not over. It's not over. If I can see you, it's not over. If you can see me, it's not over. Lock back in and enjoy this life, man. Show yourself some love. Go look in the mirror. Y'all already know what I say. Go look in that mirror and heal whatever you feel like needs to be healed. If you need help, go get help. But never stop showing love to yourself. Never stop showing love to yourself. Look in the mirror and give yourself a smile. If ain't nobody around to hug you, wrap your arms around yourself and show yourself some love. And don't forget to smile today.